Welcome to the best picks. The best iPhone 12 lens kit is probably one of the most versatile and affordable ways to dramatically improve your iPhone 12's photography game, offering a range of lenses to capture stunning wide-angle shots, dramatic close-ups, and everything in between, turning your smartphone into a professional-grade camera without breaking the bank. And this video will explore what makes this kit stand out from the competition and whether it's the right choice for you. Number 5. Xenvo Pro Lens Kit. It works with all smartphones, tablets, and laptops. Capture stunning photos and videos, no matter what device you use. This wide-angle lens lets you capture 45% more of the scene. Say goodbye to dark corners and hello to breathtaking landscapes. Get incredibly close to your subject with the macro lens. Reveal intricate details you've never seen before. The included LED light provides warm, natural illumination. Take perfect photos, even in low-light conditions. The handy travel case and lanyard keep everything safe and easily accessible. It's perfect for on-the-go photography. Made with aircraft-grade aluminum and premium optical glass, it's built to last. Enjoy crisp, clear images every time. What we like. It boasts a wide-angle lens to capture stunning landscapes and group photos, a macro lens for intricate close-ups, and an LED light for perfect illumination in any setting. If you're a photography enthusiast who wants versatility and high-quality results, this kit is perfect for you. What people say. The macro and wide-angle lenses are fantastic. The macro lens captures incredible detail, making it perfect for close-up shots of flowers and small objects. The wide-angle lens is great for landscape photography and group shots. The built-in LED light is a game-changer. It provides excellent illumination for low-light situations and enhances the quality of my photos, especially for macro shots. The glass is so nice and clear. It's quality made as my pro-grade lenses. The light is a bonus. Number 4. Phone Camera Lens Kit. It is made with industrial-grade aluminum and premium optic lenses. This ensures you get amazing clarity and detail in your photos. Capture any moment with its 120 degrees wide angle, 198 degrees fisheye, and macro lens. It's perfect for group shots, landscapes, creative effects, and extreme close-ups. The wide-angle and macro lenses work separately. Switch instantly between vast scenery and intricate details, saving you time and boosting your creativity. Attaching it is simple. Remove your phone case, clip it on firmly, and screw on the lens. The rubber grip prevents slippage and protects your phone. It's compatible with most smartphones, but may not fit all iPhone 14 and above models. We offer a 30-day refund guarantee and 24/7 email support, plus helpful tutorial videos. With this lens kit, you can explore different photographic styles and capture moments with stunning clarity and unique perspectives. Start creating amazing photos and videos today. What we like. This kit offers a unique fisheye lens for creative shots, a wide-angle lens for expansive views, and a macro lens for detailed close-ups. If you enjoy experimenting with different photographic styles and want a versatile kit, this is the one for you. What people say. Came very well packaged and worked great. I am a new solo esthetician and wanted a lens that could help magnify my lash lifts, and it works amazing. Very useful with different width lenses. Adapts to iPhone and iPad, captures good clear picture and widens the iPad standard picture very well. Easy to function and attach in seconds. The housings are machined aluminum steel and look and feel remarkably like the lenses on my SLR, just much smaller. The machining is done well and the lenses feel like quality products. They are polarized and coated just like any quality lens. With thick plastic, snap-on covers for the front of the lens and the tail end of the lens. Number 3. Godefa 14-in-1 Phone Lens Kit. This kit transforms your smartphone camera. It includes a variety of lenses and a selfie light to enhance your photography. It has a wide-angle lens, macro lens, telephoto lens, fisheye lens, and more. The selfie light has 7 adjustable brightness levels. They are crafted with high-quality glass for sharp images with minimal distortion. Get ready for stunning photos and videos. Create wide shots, zoom in on distant subjects, capture extreme close-ups, or get a fun fisheye effect. Experiment with kaleidoscope, starburst, and radial filters. It's compatible with most smartphones. The clip-on design makes it easy to attach and remove. With this kit, you can take your mobile photography to the next level. Capture the world in a whole new way. What we like. It's an all-in-one solution with 14 different lenses and a selfie light, offering a wide range of creative options. If you're looking for a comprehensive kit with various effects for different situations, this is your best bet. What people say. For photographers who don't always have their camera with them, this is the next best, or if you want to get into photography, this is an easy, amazing start that will help you get better. It's got more lens options than most other sets you'll find at a comparable price. The hard shell case is also quite nice and gives me peace of mind that should somebody drop it or it get stepped on or something, nothing inside will be completely damaged beyond repair. The camera lenses are very good quality, it's easy to use and easy to change the lenses quickly, different lenses has different zoom range, the wide-angle lens works as expected. Number 2. Phone Lens Kit, 11 lenses. Unleash your inner photographer with this versatile lens kit. It's designed to help you capture stunning photos and videos, no matter the situation. This kit has 11 different lenses, giving you the creative tools to shoot like a pro. From wide-angle shots to extreme close-ups, it has you covered. It's made with high-quality optical glass, minimizing distortion and reflections for crisp, clear images. You'll get professional-looking results every time. Everything you need is right here in one convenient kit. The easy-to-use clip attaches securely to your phone, and switching between lenses is a breeze. It works with almost any smartphone, tablet, or even some iPads. It's compatible with both front and rear cameras, giving you even more options. We stand behind our product. If it doesn't meet your expectations, simply contact us for a hassle-free return. Your satisfaction is guaranteed. What we like. This kit includes 11 high-quality lenses and a convenient travel case, perfect for photographers on the go. If you need a portable and versatile kit with a wide array of lenses, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The lens easily attach with a minimal of effort. The lenses come in their own black zippered carry case and are well ordered inside the case. They all feel high quality and the effects they produce are all great. They all do what they set out to do and are extremely easy to swap out and store. Most of the lenses can be rotated, so you can control the direction of the effect, which is neat. Number 1. ASDAWN iPhone 12 Mini Camera Lens. Get 2 premium replacement camera lenses for your iPhone 12 or 12 mini. Having a spare ensures you're always ready, and it's a great value. A cracked lens compromises your camera's quality. Don't let blurry photos or potential sensor damage ruin your memories, replace it today. This kit includes an easy-to-follow manual and a professional repair toolkit. You'll be able to fix it yourself, saving time and money. Repairing it yourself saves you at least $50 compared to professional repair shops. Plus, it's a fun DIY project. We offer a 1-year warranty and 24/7 customer support. Your satisfaction is our top priority. What we like. It's a cost-effective solution for repairing a damaged camera lens, with an easy installation process and all the necessary tools included. If you have a cracked iPhone 12 camera lens and want a simple DIY repair, this is the perfect option. What people say. The lens fits my iPhone 12 Pro Max perfectly, just like the original. Installation was a breeze. The clarity and precision are on par with the original lens, and my photos are just as sharp and vibrant. Everything I needed was in the kit. The lens fit perfectly and stayed put. The clarity is just like OEM and scratch resistant and very sturdy from the couple of months I've had it on. Fits just like the original. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.